What's up, guys? Today we're back, and today we're going to be making fluffy slime. Now, to start off, let's show them the ingredients we need. First, you need Elmer's glue, and you need shaving cream. You need a measuring cup, and we're doing it with borax. You need borax plus water, and you need, if you're gonna make it a color, and use food coloring. And we are going to be putting sparkles in it. Oh gosh, sparkles are falling out. How do I? Yeah.
It's okay. Just put it down. Okay. Some instructions.
So first, don't we have to? Yeah, but first we gotta put in the glue. We're gonna make a ton. So first you gotta pour in the glue. You can pour in as much as you want. We're just gonna be making, this time we're gonna be making so much that it's gonna be a pound. Alright, we got that bottle. Pouring out this bottle. We got a ton of glue in there.
Okay.
Now, what's next? Still pouring out. Still pouring out. Now we gotta pour in
Shaving cream. Shake it.
no, shaving foam. You need shaving foam, not shaving cream, foam, right?
Yep.
Foam is what makes it fluffy. We're gonna pour in. Wait, did you shake it up?
Yep.
I'll get the other one.
This isn't as fluffy as I want because it's almost out. Okay, that's fine. Got it.
There we go. Fluffy. And when you have, you want to like triple or 4 times as much, you want 4 times as much shaving cream as glue. 4 times as much shaving cream as glue. Remember that. Make sure to shake it out. Because if you have a ton of glue, you need way much more glue. Shaving foam.
Okay.
Alright, now.
Color.
We're going to do green. And we're just gonna put in a lot of drops just to make it.
Let's do Christmas and let's put some red in there too.
Alright, since
It's Christmas time.
it's almost Christmas. Okay. It's like blood. Green blood. This is like red blood. We'll have to cut a few parts of the video. Oh, that looks like so much like real blood. Whoa. Now stir it up. Whew. I'll cut this part and we'll see when it's done stirring. You know, you have to stir it a bunch. Alright guys, we are back, and what we're going to do, now we need to pour in borax. You gotta mix borax with water. Have we stirred it yet? Alright, borax with water. It's the activator. And first let's put in some glitter. Where's the glitter? Alright. We're putting in golden glitter. Let's put in, fill it up. Glitter, glitter, glitter. We put in red and green because that makes Christmas. And it made pink. Fluffy slime is usually supposed to be pink. Here's what the we didn't make our fluffy slime stretchable, sorry, but it's not that stretchable. But here's what the original turned out to be. Alright. We almost ready to pour the borax in?
Yep, it's ready.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Do about half of it at once.
Alright.
Not all of it.
Is that enough?
For now.
Alright. It's not very stirred though. Look.
It's okay.
Look, it's all at the bottom.
That's okay. because when we mix it in here, it will stir. Okay, I need some more, please.
Alright, just
Made
pour
a
it
lot
all
of
in.
stuff. Yeah.
So we're just activating slime. We're gonna skip and we'll see you when it's done. Alright guys, we're back and we are ready to knead it. So you gotta take it out of the thing and then you gotta knead it. Which means you gotta move it around a ton until it becomes the actual slime. It doesn't stick to your hand. It's basically
Always clean up your mess when you're done.
yeah, this stuff is messy. So when you make this kind of fluffy slime, it's not very stretchable, but it's very, very soft. And if you poke a hole in it, it just like eats your finger. It's starting to become slime. I'll see you guys when it's ready. And once you're done kneading it, this is your outcome. This is the satisfying part of it. It's not very stretchy, but it's very squishy. And we have another slime, which we made earlier. We're going to combine them together. 3, 2, 1. So much slime. This is our first time making it, by the way. Thank you for helping me make it.
Welcome.
I like how you can just tear it.